right up there and probably my top 10. Daniela really likes them. They're her favorites, I think. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. It is bright and early on a Friday morning. I've got so much to do. I have started my new job, itty bitty tiny little job. You may have heard about it on the Tickety Talks or the Instagram Reels. I'm just driving a van for a after school program for kids. I pick them up at an elementary school and take them to the program, and then I get to hang out with them for a couple hours and watch them play video games. That's a lot of fun, isn't it? Let's feed these baby birds. Catherine the Crafter got some paper stuck to my table, and I can't seem to get it up. Here's a little parakeet, a little white, fluffy one. Got a little bit of blue on it, the kids tell me. I can't really see it. But it's a tiny, tiny little baby. Here. Hi, yeah, look at that. You so hungry. You so hungry, we got a mess on you now. Here, let's get that cleaned up there. Look at this little baby. Isn't that the cutest little thing? Now, of course, this is not a piranha. Piranha is a fish. This is a parakeet, which is a bird. The kids call them parakeets because at this age they like to nibble on you. But isn't that just the cutest little thing? I think so, at least. Can you see the blue on it? Is it really blue, Jeremiah? I pretend.
I think very light blue.
Very light blue. Catherine told me it was.
Blue.
Catherine told me it had blue on it. Don't, you'll fall off. So here, let's feed the Quaker Parrots, okay? Look, tell our friends bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Chewy. Look, here are the Quaker Parrots. This one is blue. You see the blue coming in on his tail? I can see that blue. Now, their dad was a blue Opaline, and the mother is a turquoise Opaline. She's the one that flew in from Texas. And this one is a turquoise. You see the greenish color? Here, let's turn them around so you can see their pretty little faces. Look at that. I just love these. They're not my very absolute favorite bird. Of course, that's an Indian ringneck, but these are right up there and probably my top 10. Daniela really likes them. They're her favorites, I think. Look at him shaking. He's not shaking, he's quaking. So they do that. That's their natural little response. Here. Which one's hungry? Huh? You got food on you. How did that happen? Well, I know how it happened. I made a mess. Here, baby. Look, you can't eat my finger. Here. Here's your food. Is that yummy? Huh? You want some? Yeah, that was good stuff. I gotta give a little bit more to your brother. Here. Oh, look at that. See, that's the crop. That's that little bag, a little pouch in between their mouth and their stomach. That's where they hold food. I'm gonna put him back in the brooder tub. There's this baby. Let me see if I can get him to eat a little bit more. Here, baby. There, look at that. Oh yeah, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Look at that, yum, yum. What a good little baby bird you are. What a good little baby bird you are. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. Okay, Jeremiah, can you get me the cockatiel, please? Here's Sonny, the little fly baby. He is a Butino cockatiel. Here, you want a bite? You want a bite to eat? Or you just want to fly away? Huh? Here. There we go. Yeah, there's your num-num. Uh-oh. You want a little bit more? Huh? You want a little bit more? Come on, baby. You want a little bit more? No? Okay. Hey, if you don't want it, that's fine with me. Look at the little baby. You see that? Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let him fly around some when it's safe for him to do so. But right before he goes home, I will trim his wing feathers. Now he is already sold. He's going to a wonderful home. She keeps asking all kinds of wonderful questions about him. There. That's a cute little baby birdie. Are you the cute little baby birdie? You are. You are the cute little baby birdie. Well, guys, that's going to do it. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye. Wish I were an Oscar Mayer wiener. That is what I truly want to be. If I were an Oscar Mayer wiener, the whole world would be in love with me.